Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. New mailing address for some western states as Fresno, California paper tax return processing center closes. IR 2021-185 September 14th, 2021. Washington. The Internal Revenue Service will close its paper return processing center in Fresno, California permanently at the end of September this year. Originally announced in 2016, this closure is part of a larger ongoing efficiency strategies as most taxpayers now file electronically. The number of individual returns taxpayers filed electronically, there's a link to that here, has grown from 90 million in 2008 to over 145 million in 2020, which is more than 90% of all returns filed. The IRS expects this trend to continue for both individual and non-individual returns. Where to send returns then? Taxpayers located in Alaska, California, Hawaii, Ohio, and Washington state who previously filed their federal tax returns with Fresno should now mail their returns to the Ogden, Utah Processing Center. So there's a link to that who previously filed their federal tax returns here as well. The Ogden address for filing paper individual returns is Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, Utah 84201-0002. Fresno operations. The IRS will maintain a presence in Fresno with many other operations still working at full capacity. This planned consolidation, however, allows IRS to streamline operations and make better use of existing space. When this consolidation was announced in September 2016, there were approximately 3,000 employees employed at the paper processing center in Fresno. Since that time, the IRS has taken steps to provide training and find continued employment opportunities for many of the impacted employees. Others have chosen to retire or separate from the IRS. The agency also maintains a Fresno submission processing cancellation update page. There's a link to that here. It's on irs.gov as well. irs.gov assistance 24/7. The IRS reminds taxpayers that help is available 24/7 on irs.gov, irs.gov, the IRS website. So obviously they're trying to do less in-person type of stuff, guide you to the website like many businesses are kind of doing at this point in time. The IRS is trying to update their digital resources as well so they can kind of do that better at this point as well. So the IRS website offers a variety of online tools to help taxpayers answer common tax questions. For example, taxpayers can search the interactive tax assistance, tax topics, and frequently asked questions to get answers to common questions. There's a link to those items here. The IRS is continuing to expand ways to communicate to taxpayers who prefer to get information in other languages. The IRS has posted translated tax resources in 20 other languages on irs.gov. For more information, see We Speak Your Language. There's a link to the We Speak Your Language here. That name always kind of cracks me up because it seems to me that no matter what language they put the law in, you're still speaking legalese type context, and nobody speaks legalese except lawyers. But in any case, they have a link to that here. And there'll be a link to this in the description.